Hello, my name is Jenna Burley. I'm a senior customer success coach here at Bright MLS, and today we're going to talk about using the address option to search for public records. So, of course, we can go to our search drop-down menu and click on public records, and we can search by address here. Make sure that you enter either that municipality or that city, just so we know where to search those records. I'll just go ahead and type that information in. And then from here, I can begin adding addresses one by one to search public records. Now, for training purposes, I am going to use the same street address, but of course, you can type in different addresses here to access those public records. Keep in mind, if you don't find a public record, it's most likely because that is a new construction build and we don't have the public record information as of yet. But again, just go ahead, type in a few addresses and go straight to those results to access the public records. If you need a little bit more space to access public records, you can also search under residential sale. Be sure to deselect any of the statuses. Again, enter that city or that municipality. And under residential sale, you have a few more spaces to use. So again, I'm going to go in and just start adding some addresses. And as you can see, I can add a lot more. Let's just back this up a little bit. And once I've added my addresses, of course, I'm just going to go right over to my results. And now I can select all, or I can select one or two. And I'll just come down to my refine tool here and click on search for public records. And then I'll be able to see those public records for each address. Again, if you're not getting all of those addresses, keep in mind that it might be a new construction build and we do not have access to that public record as of now. But again, that's just another way to go ahead and search public records using the residential sale tool. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks for joining.